In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a vendor credit in Intuit QuickBooks Online. Managing vendor credits is an essential part of keeping your accounts accurate and your books up to date. Whether you're handling a refund, a price adjustment, or an overpayment, knowing how to properly apply vendor credits in QuickBooks Online will save you time and ensure your financial records are correct. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident navigating this process, step by step. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll need to create the vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. To begin, click the New button located at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This button is your starting point for entering transactions. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Vendor Credit. This will open up a new form specifically designed for recording credits from your vendors. Next, enter the vendor's name exactly as it appears on the bill or invoice you received. Consistency is key here. Using the exact name ensures that the credit is properly linked to the right vendor account. Once you've entered the vendor's name, move on to the credit amount. Input the dollar amount of the credit based on the documentation provided by your vendor. After that, fill in the additional details. Add the date of the credit, which is typically the date the credit was issued. Then include the category or item that the credit applies to. This might relate to specific inventory, services, or expense accounts. If you'd like, you can also add a brief memo in the available field to note why the credit was issued. This note can be helpful for future reference. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, click Save to record the vendor credit in your QuickBooks account. At this point, the credit is officially recorded and ready to be applied to an outstanding bill. Now let's move on to applying the vendor credit to the appropriate bill. Start by navigating to the Expenses section, which you'll find on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're in the Expenses section, open the Bills tab here. You'll see a list of all the bills associated with your vendors. Locate the specific bill from the vendor to whom the credit applies. When you've found the correct bill, click Mark as Paid. This action will open the payment screen, where you'll select the payment method. In this case, you'll choose Vendor Credit as the payment method. QuickBooks will automatically apply the credit to the bill and adjust the total amount due accordingly. Before finalizing, take a moment to double-check all the details. Verify that the vendor name matches, the credit amount is accurate, and the transaction date corresponds to the credit and bill. This step is crucial to ensure the payment is applied correctly. Once everything looks good, click Save or Confirm to finalize the payment. And that's it. You've successfully applied a vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.